August 2025 via Adidas.com, the Predator Glory Blue marks the third chapter in Jude Bellingham's signature series. Following the success of the Belligold and Legend Burgundy, this drop features a black upper, enhanced by gradient blue and white 3 stripes and a frosted blue-white sole plate. The bold JB logo stitched on the fold-over tongue reinforces Jude's unique branding. Fans can expect a variety of versions: Elite FG, SG, Indoor, Youth, and Freestyle, as well as a matching Adidas Superstar sneaker and likely an apparel capsule. Blending performance-driven tech with standout aesthetics, this collection reflects Bellingham's rising influence in both football and lifestyle markets. Whether you're on the pitch or on the street, the Glory Blue range promises accessible style across all levels of play. Stay tuned for official confirmation and full release details as the launch date approaches.